Get out there in style with the all-new Go Chair. Pride Mobility re-engineered the Go Chair from the ground up, offering a sleek, bold new style. Available in an array of contemporary colors, the Go Chair offers enhanced performance and comfort. The Go Chair features feather touch disassembly, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. New dual swing-away under-seat compartments allow convenient storage so you can travel easy. Get there faster with a faster speed of up to 3.7 miles per hour. Enjoy larger 18-amp batteries that give a longer battery range so you'll never have to cut your trip short. A larger seat along with height and width adjustable armrest and an increased weight capacity of up to 300 pounds makes the Go Chair the perfect choice for every user. With a longer wheelbase, wider stance, and a compact turning radius of 25.4 inches, the all-new Go Chair features improved agility. Make your Go Chair your own with changeable shrouds, offered in an array of contemporary colors, including sapphire blue, rose quartz, citrine yellow, amber orange, and pearl white. The all-new Go Chair makes travel easy. Get out there today.